Hello student, exercise 8b, word problem solution. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 7 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator decreased by 6. The new number becomes 2. Find the original number. Let the numerator, we will take numerator as x. Then denominator x plus 7. If the numerator is increased by, according to question, increased by 17, x plus 17, and denominator decreased by 6, the new number becomes 2. Cross multiply. 7 minus 6, 1. Solving. Two x comes left hand side, becomes of minus x equals to minus 15. Cancel minus from minus, x is 15. Then numerator 15 denominator 15 plus 7 makes 22 rational number. That is 15 by 22. You can verify it also. How? X 15 plus 17 makes 32. In denominator 15 plus 7 minus 6 makes 16. Cut 2. Next is sum number 15. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7. Let the breadth x, length of a rectangle exceeds x plus 7. Area, length multiply breadth becomes x square plus 7x. If the length is decreased by 4 and breadth is increased by 3, the area of new rectangle is same as of original rectangle. New length x plus 7 minus 4 makes x plus 3. New breadth, that is x plus 3. Area, length multiply breadth. Solving. X square plus 6x plus 9. New rectangle. Area of new rectangle is same as the area of original rectangle. According to question, x square plus 7x equal to, both are same, cut. Variable term left hand side, constant right hand side, x equals to 9. Means to say breadth of rectangle 9 centimeter, length of rectangle 9 plus 7 makes 16 centimeter, area length multiply breadth equals to 144 centimeter square. Next, the sum number 19. A steamer goes downstream with the direction of water in the same direction from one port to another port in 9 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 10 hours. Upstream, opposite direction. If the speed of stream be 1 kilometer per hour, find the speed of steamer in still water and the distance between port. Let me take speed of steamer in still water, x kilometer per hour. Downstream speed that is x plus 1. Downstream water plus upstream speed that is x minus 1. According to question, first we will find its distance. Distance covered in 9 hours. 9 hours downstream. Then speed into time. Distance covered in 10 hours. 10 into x minus 1. According to question, distance between two ports that are equal. Solving. X is equals to 19. Then the distance between two ports speed into time, we can put x 19 plus 1 into 9, 20 into 9 makes 180 kilometer, and that is speed of a stream.